Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to disable sound effects on the LinkedIn app for PC after the latest update. If you've noticed small notification sounds while browsing or interacting with LinkedIn, and you'd prefer a quieter experience, this quick guide will help you turn them off in just a few clicks. First, open up the LinkedIn app on your PC. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your profile and settings. Once the app is open, look toward the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see the Me icon. This is the menu that gives you access to your account and settings. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to LinkedIn's main settings hub. Once you're there, choose the section called Account Preferences. This is where LinkedIn keeps all account-related options, including general features you can personalize. Inside Account Preferences, scroll down to the General Preferences area. This is the section where you'll find customizable options for the overall app experience. Under this menu, there should be a setting labeled Sound Effects. When you click on Sound Effects, you'll see the option to toggle it on or off. By default, it may be enabled, which is why you're hearing small sounds when interacting with the app. To disable it, simply turn the option off. Once you've done this, LinkedIn will no longer play those extra noises while you're scrolling, messaging, or navigating the platform. That's it. The change saves automatically, so there's no need to confirm anything else. From now on, your LinkedIn experience will be completely silent, letting you focus on the content without any sound effects in the background. Disabling this feature can be especially useful if you're often working in quiet environments, sharing a workspace, or just want a smoother, distraction-free browsing experience. And if you ever change your mind, you can always head back into the same settings and turn sound effects back on. Now you know exactly how to disable sound effects on LinkedIn's latest PC app update.